Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me video for this or any special occasion, day to night, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get this look step by step. If you guys wanna know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So in this video I'm using all the affordable product that can be found easily in market, whether it's in Hong Kong or Nepal. So first I'm going to start with my NYX color correcting primer, and I bought it around Hong Kong dollar 85. That means in Nepal it cost around 1000 rupees. So step 2 is my foundation. I'm going to use this Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay foundation, and it costs around Hong Kong dollar 130, and it blends out so well. It's full coverage, plus it doesn't leave any patches, so I think it's good idea to get one for yourself because it's cheap plus good. So step 3 is concealing plus highlighting. I'm going to use this Growth Pro concealer, and I bought it for around 39 point something. That means in Nepal it cost around 7 to 800 rupees. And I think it doesn't matter how expensive or cheap your product is, but the thing is it should be good quality and the application should be good. So step 4, the most important step, baking or setting. So I'm going to use this RCMA setting powder to set my concealer, especially under my eye area, to avoid that fine line. And it cost around 131 SK dollar. It means around 15 to 1600 in Nepal. And I think it's a very good setting powder for normal and oily skin. So step 4 is eyebrow. I'm going to use this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade Medium Brown because this is my favorite. I cannot make my eyebrow without this. So I'm just here filling plus shaping my eyebrow and combing or blending with my eyebrow brush and correcting my mistake with my concealer. So here I'm brushing out all my setting powder. So step 5 is contouring, highlight and blush. I'm going to use this ELF bronzing and blush set. This is so good. It's lightweight plus highly pigmented, and this is very cheap. Like it costs around 31 Hong Kong dollar. That means in Nepal it costs around 500 to 600. So here I'm contouring my face because I have a big flat nose and big chubby cheeks, just to give some shape to my face. So for the blusher, I'm going to use that same ELF bronzing and blush set, and whenever I apply the blush, I smile a little bit and apply on my apple of my cheeks, and a little bit on my nose, forehead, and a little bit on my chin as well, just to give that natural blush look. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter. I bought it for $53. It means in Nepal it cost around 7 to 800, and this is my favorite highlighter because it's cheap, highly pigmented, and blended so well on my skin. And here I'm highlighting my highest point of my face, especially my cheekbone, brow bone, inner corner, and nose. So step 6 is eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this Morphe 12NB eyeshadow palette and taking this orange tone and applying as my transition color. And again taking the same eyeshadow palette and taking this beautiful champagne color as my lid color and applying with my finger. So I'm going to skip my eyeliner, so if you guys want it you can go for it. So now I'm going to add my false lashes. This is from drugstore. So first you need to measure your eyelashes and then cut it off and glue it. So step 7 is lipstick. So don't forget to moisturize your lip before any lipstick. So for the lipstick I'm going to I'm going to take this Stay Lauder lipstick. It's in a shade 200 Pink Jink. So here we go. This is our final look for the daytime. Okay, so for the nighttime, I'm going to make my eyes a little bit darker. So again, I'm going to take that same eyeshadow palette, Morphe 12NB eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the same color and darken up my transition color. And again, I'm going to take that burgundy side and deepen up my outer corner. So for my eyelid color, I'm going to take this Morphe 35O eyeshadow palette and taking this golden color and applying on my lid, including my inner corners. So again, I'm going to take same blending brush and blending three colors together so that it looks seamless, beautiful and smooth. So now I'm going to touch up my face, especially my contour and highlighter, because it's a nighttime, you need to shine. So yeah. So final step, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using the same burgundy color. So this is our final look, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below which look suit me better, night or day. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.